Hi guys, I was thinking I ought to do something useful with all these vapes or vape batteries that I'm picking up. So it did cross my mind I could use one to run this little train. Now the problem with that is that's twice the voltage it's expecting, in fact nearly 3 times the voltage. It's expecting 1.5 volts. And when these are freshly charged, even though they say 3.7 volts on the outside, they're 4.2 volts. So, yeah, that's going to be a bit overpowered. This is one that I'd actually modified to run from an external supply. So I'm going to disconnect that, put a little connector on it, and then put a connector on one of these batteries. And then we can actually fit that in there. It will fit inside the case quite easily. But as I say, it's going to be overpowered, so I may have to put a variable potentiometer in there. A potentiometer in there. A variable resistor. So we can adjust the speed. But first of all, we'll just put a connector on a battery. Any of these will do. Got rather a lot of them. Most of these were sent by a friend, but I have also been picking them up in the street. So, yeah, okay, well that's fair enough, simple enough. I'll just solder one of them straight on the 2 tags. We'll check it for charge it up if necessary. Put that one straight on the motor in there. And away we go. You probably don't need to see me do that. Although I've got the soldering iron on the go here. Of course it'd be handy to know which way round we want it to go, wouldn't it? Right, let's just choose one of these at random. I do have a little helper thing here that I really ought to use. I just can never be bothered to get it out. I'm thinking about it, that's the one for the motor. So I'll tin that as well. That one doesn't want to take solder. Okay, so that'll do for that temporarily. And somebody said the other day, temporary things seem to last forever. Right. The idea of this was I was going to run it round in circles using the lead as the pivot, whatever. Right, so that's on there. So if we put this, well, let's just see which way it goes. I'm going to swap it over. Oh, well, that makes a change. Got it the right way round. So that'll fit in there. And the thing is, we haven't got an on-off switch, have we? We could try and make use of this thing. It's pretty useless. We could go and find a little on-off switch to add in. I'll have a think for a minute. Right, very temporary, very lazy way of doing it. I've just brought the wires outside so I can connect them up externally. So that works. Oh, I'll put that back on. Yeah, much too fast for what it should be. We will just try and rig up a bit of track to try it, but I'll have to go and have a look for a variable resistor so we can slow that down a bit. Or even a permanent resistor just to permanently slow it down. Right, that's just very temporary, as you can see. I was just looking for a potentiometer, a variable resistor. And that one is a little bit too high. It's not enough control on that. Oh, we're just about there, but that's not an ideal variable resistor. I'll have to measure that one and see what else I've got. Still, we have actually made use of a vape battery. Right, that's a bit simpler. I've just got a resistor, as you can see, sitting on the top there. So that's in circuit with the battery and the motor, and that's slowed it down quite nicely. So I'll just see whether that battery's charged or not. I've got a little charging module set up, so we'll charge it up and see how we get on. Right, that's one of those TP, is it 4056 modules with a 2.2k resistor in there to reduce the charge to 500 milliamps. So that should charge it up, and we'll see how it goes when it's fully charged. Might have to change the resistor again. Well, we got the blue light on, so that means it's fully charged. Oh. Obviously I could tidy that up a bit, but this was just to do something useful with the LiPo, the Vape LiPo batteries. So we've got a big resistor on there to drop the voltage and slow it down. Couldn't resist printing a few more bits. Goes around at a good speed without any carriages on the back of it. Yeah, quite a lot of filaments gone into this little setup. I actually broke one of the ones I just printed. It's missing a little bit just there, but as long as the train goes round in that direction, it doesn't matter. I'm flying, aren't I? That'll do. Just a thought, I'll put my thermometer on that resistor. Oh, that's convenient, it just fell off. $39? Ah, that's more like it. 50. Cooling down a bit. Now that it's not on under load. No, still 50. 54. Oh, 57. 60. It's going up. I thought it was going down because it wasn't under load. So that resistor's taken a lot of current through it. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.